Hello everyone, this is Zach from TripBSA. So today, this short video here, I'd like to focus AirAsia. That recently, I think they are kind of like doing a pullbacks. Okay, so of course, a few things that we want to look into. Okay, is the pullback currently is in a healthy stage? Is there any sign of weakness and distribution? And if you are looking for entry, okay, how you should want to monitor it further, okay, by using some example later on. So of course, the green pentagon actually turns the latest green pentagon turned on 6th of August. Until now, it's still in green pentagon. So for some members, again, do check your screener again from time to time. This is on 6th of August. This is how you're going to pick up some of the goods counter based on green pentagon signals. Okay, so by looking into this chart right now, of course, the stock actually already break above certain resistance. Okay, if you look back to the previous few months ago, here this is back to around March, right? They seems like break above the resistance, okay, but seems like now they fail to hold. So potentially, I think they are having a very high chance for them to retest, okay, on the 2040s area. So if I draw somewhere around this level over here, okay, we do notice there's a small gaps previously on the left hand side, and there's another gaps as well. So potentially they will retest somewhere around this area. So again, for those that who already entered together with my entry previously, to be frank, I'm still holding right now. I don't see any major weaknesses coming into the chart, so that's why I think it's still fine, okay, to hold on these pullbacks, periods or areas. Okay, now if we are looking for potential entry, because this is slightly a bit kind of like momentum a little bit because it's far away from 2040s. Few things you can do: either you look into the daily chart, focus on the daily charts, whether they will retest by 2040s or not. If not, another clue that you can look for is the hourly chart. Okay, so currently hourly chart is in green pentagon, but do remember green pentagon need to fulfill certain criteria. Okay, so here red, a break below, okay, so this is the area that you not want to look for the entry again if you are looking for short-term tradings. Okay, now here we got green pentagons already, but if you realize this green pentagon, unlike previous green pentagon, right, this green pentagon here, it actually comes with some increasing volume. Of course, it's not obvious, but it actually break above the 2040s and close, okay, on the red pentagon's bar. Now if you realize this bar over here, this green pentagon, it doesn't even close, okay, on the 2040s. Okay, now again, for me, this is dangerous, okay, if you are looking for this kind of trades, because sometimes it doesn't make a nice confirmation it's going to continue to on this downtrend, or so-called a pullback in daily chart. So if I look into OMH, like I said, just want to share with you some example. Again, chart recognition is very important. So whenever you do a trade, especially using BSI, I think the chart recognition definitely will help you. Okay, so if you look into like OMH right now, okay, so again, just look into the daily chart. Okay, it's a strong uptrend. We got double NS, one, two. Okay, price is slightly far away from 2040. So what we do is that you open up the hourly chart to check, is there any some weaknesses? Is there the strong is coming back or not? Okay, so if you look into OMH, okay, green pentagon turns, crossing back, okay, 2040. So it seems like they are holding back. So here's two, red pentagon, it dropped, okay, but green pentagon turns back, it pushed the price back to the 2040s. Okay, so for those that who are following Asia, again, not so sure whether it will break back to 2040s or not, but green pentagon's turn, okay, just that there's no confirmation yet, right? So probably you want to wait for the strong confirmation before you want to place the trades. Okay, so again, this video here is not to ask you to buy or sell some stock. Just I want to share with you how I use VSA to help me out on my entry and exit. Okay, especially dealing with this kind of counters, like for example opcon, right? Because I think some of you probably asked me as well, okay, on opcon a few days ago. So here, red pentagon 2040s. That's why immediately I sent to the members group saying that there's red pentagon below 2040s. Okay, so this is what I mean. So today is still going down. Okay, without any sign of reversal at the moment. Okay, so with this, thank you for watching this short video. If you like what we do, okay, do remember to subscribe to these Telegram channels or YouTube channels. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.